back to our exploration of consumer behavior and marketing strategy. In our last lecture, we discussed the importance of product positioning and branding in shaping consumer perceptions. Today, we'll delve into the critical role of pricing strategies in influencing consumer behavior and driving business profitability. Pricing is a complex and multifaceted aspect of marketing, and it goes beyond simply setting a price tag on a product or service. It involves understanding consumer psychology, market dynamics, and the strategic goals of the businesses. Effective pricing strategies can attract and retain customers, maximize profits, and even shape brand perception. There are various pricing strategies that businesses can employ, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. Premium pricing. This strategy involves setting a high price for a product or service to convey a sense of exclusivity, quality, and prestige. It often targets consumers who are willing to pay a premium for superior products or unique experiences. Penetration pricing. This strategy involves setting a low initial price to attract a large number of customers and gain market share quickly. It can be effective for new products or services entering a competitive market, but it may sacrifice profit margins in the short term. Skimming pricing. This strategy involves setting a high initial price for a new product or service and then gradually lowering it over time as the market matures and competition increases. It can be effective for innovative products with limited competition, allowing businesses to maximize profits early on. Value-based pricing. This strategy involves setting a price based on the perceived value that customers place on a product or service. It requires a deep understanding of customer needs and preferences, as well as the ability to communicate the unique value proposition of the offering. Psychological pricing. This strategy utilizes psychological tactics to influence consumer perception and purchasing decisions. This can include setting a price just below a round number. For example, $9.99 instead of $10, using charm pricing. For example, ending prices in 95 cents or 99 cents, or offering bundled deals. Dynamic pricing. This strategy involves adjusting prices in real time based on supply and demand, competitor pricing, or market factors. It is often used in online retail and travel industries, where prices can fluctuate rapidly. The choice of pricing strategy depends on various factors, including the product's life cycle, target market, competitive landscape, and overall marketing objectives. Businesses often use a combination of different strategies to optimize their pricing for different products and situations. Pricing is a powerful tool that can significantly impact consumer behavior. Price can signal quality, create a sense of urgency, or even evoke emotions. By understanding how consumers respond to different price points and pricing strategies, businesses can make informed decisions that maximize their profitability and enhance brand perception. In our next lecture, we'll shift our focus to promotion and advertising strategies, exploring how businesses communicate with consumers and influence their purchase decisions.